we are making canapes, which is salmon paste, tuna with olives, vine leaves. Ito yung mga ingredients niya, guys. Basil. We had the basil and the parsley as well. This one, we like herbs. Ayan siya. This is making this, and then also I have to do this, which is the garlic bread. We wrap the garlic like this. Pagka-toast siya, guys. Yung bruschetta toasted, or you can put them on the grill. This is brown bread, yeah? And then gumawa kami ng salsa dip. It's like a salsa dip, yeah? Tomato, parsley, capers, and olives. Did you put olives? No. Okay, so just tomato, parsley, and capers. Masarap ito, guys. Ayan. Yeah, is that enough? My God, ang bango siya, guys. Ang bango-bango. Yan. Starter. Bubuhan natin ng garlic. Just a little bit while it's hot. Yeah. Not too much. And then we're gonna put this one. So guys, ganyan. Ganyan lang. Yung parang toppings niya. Ang sarap nito. Sarap. At ito na siya, guys. Ang sarap. Very nice. I like the capers. They texture and the balance of the taste is really, really nice.
Test. What do you think? What's missing?
Sarap.
Not finished with the
Ang sarap, guys. Masarap siya.
with the
Very nice. Tomato. Although I'm tolerant with tomato, but I'm gonna try still. Garnishing the avocado, tomato, beef tomato, this one.
Yeah,
here. And the Parma ham. No, mozzarella, beef tomato, and
avocado.
Avocado is like Italian flag color.
Olive oil.
Then we put olive oil. Yes, Allah. Risotto.
Seafood risotto.
Seafood risotto. Siya, guys, masarap to. Seafood risotto. May bisita kami ngayon. May darating na bisita. Yan siya, guys, meron siyang lots of sea lamang dagat. Merong prawns, calamari, mussels, and clams, yeah? Did we put the clams?
Yeah.
Yan siya, guys. Masarap to. Risotto. Dahil nilagyan namin siya ng bay leaves. Italian use a lot of herbs, which is good for the body. Anyway, good for your health. Ayan siya, guys. Napakasarap nito. Risotto. Pero hindi ka basta gagamit ng rice na ordinary rice. Meron yung risotto rice. Especially for risotto. Yeah?
No,
Take a photo. You show mum and dad.
take photo of them.
Yeah, take a photo of his bit.
Yummy. Very nice, huh?